Today, I'm going to show you how to remove the search box from your Windows taskbar. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started. First, find an empty space on your taskbar. Right-click on that space to bring up the context menu. Now, let's navigate to the search settings where you'll find a few options. Hidden, Show Search Icon, and Show Search Box. If you pick Show Search Icon, the search box turns into a small icon. Click on it when you want to search. If you choose Hidden, the search box disappears. That's it. Your search box is now gone from the taskbar. Remember, if you want to search with the box hidden, just click the Windows menu button on your keyboard and start typing. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.